Once upon a time, in a green jungle near a big river, there lived a little bird named Tooni. Tooni was a small, yellow, and very kind. She loved to sing happy songs as she flew around the trees. In the river lived a big, greedy crocodile. His name was Grog. Grog loved to eat fish, but he always wanted more. I must have all the food in the river, Grog said to himself. One sunny morning, Tooni was flying near the river. She saw Grog sitting on a rock. Grog looked sad. Tooni flew down and asked, "Why do you look so sad, Grog?" Grog sighed. "I am hungry, but I ate all the fish in this part of the river. Now there is no food left for me." Tooni thought for a moment. "Grog, you ate too much. You didn't share with the other animals. That's why the fish are gone." "I can't help it. I love food," said Grog. Tooni had an idea. She flew high above the river and called out to the fish, hiding far away. "Come back, little fish. Grog is sorry and will share from now on." The fish peeked out from behind the rocks. "Really?" they asked. "Yes, really," said Tooni. She looked at Grog. "Promise you will not eat them all at once." Grog nodded. "I promise to eat only what I need." The fish slowly swam back to the river. Grog kept his promise. He only ate enough to fill his belly, and the fish were happy to stay. From that day on, Tooni and Grog became friends. Tooni's songs filled the air, and Grog learned the joy of sharing. The jungle was peaceful again, all because of a little bird and her kind heart.